Hey y'all, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be installing a wig, and it's from this company called Alibonnie. With the hair, they sent me a few things, and here they are. A pair of eyelashes, an elastic band for my edges, a pair of wig cap, and finally this edge brush, which is going to be my favorite thing I got with the wig today. Okay, so this is the wig, guys. Look at how beautiful this color is. I'm not sure what color it is, but it looks like a ginger red color, something like that. It is pre-bleached and pre-plucked. It has two clips in the sides as usual. It has one in the top and then one in the back of it. And I gotta say, before I even get any further, that I absolutely love this wig. I love everything about it, but especially the color of it. It complements my skin so well. I did my ball cap off camera. The only thing left to do is to color it, and I'm gonna do so using this lace tint spray from Magic Collection. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it all over it. Actually, not all over it, but all over the front half. Now I'm going to clean up around the edge of the ball cap using some rubbing alcohol. Now it's time to put the wig on, set it in the area where I want it, adjust it how I like it before I glue it down. Now I'm gonna clip both sides back using one of my butterfly clips, and this is gonna keep the hair out of my way while I work on gluing down the front of the wig. First, I'm gonna go ahead and clip the extra lace off that's hanging over my ears. When I do this, the lace will be laying down around my ears nice and flat. Now that I got it how I want it, I think it's time to glue it down, so that's what I'm about to do now. This is the glue I'm going to be using. It's the Almighty Bond from Kiss, and I love this glue because it has this flat tip right here that you would use to apply the glue, the silicone tip, and then it has this precision tip which you would use for touch-up if you need to. So as I squeeze the glue out, the silicone tip helped to spread it out and distribute it just how I want it. This will make applying your lace glue so much easier. Also, it dries really quickly, so that's definitely a plus. You don't have to wait for too long for it to dry. So it is a really nice glue. I really like it. Now that the glue is dry enough for me, I'm going to pull the lace down on it and continue to dry it some more with the blow dryer. And I'm going to repeat those same steps on this side and the other side. Now I'm tying it down and allowing it to dry completely, and then I'm gonna be cutting the lace off of it. I'm going to use my Got To Be Glued free spray to seal the edges of the lace. So what I did was I sprayed some of it on a piece of plastic on my table, and then I dipped the end of the rat tail comb in it, and then I used that to seal the edges. Now I'm going to part my hair, and I decided to part it on the side today. I went straight back, and then I saw that I was going too far back, so what I did was I curved it so the parting could stay on the lace, and that looked much better. Here I'm using my edge wax stick to help to tame the hair. I'm using some foundation to brighten up my parting so it could look more realistic, because right now it's looking like invisible. I then cut these pieces that I took off for my edges and sideburns. I cut them down, and then I used the flat iron to flip them before I swoop them in place. I'm gonna be using a mousse. I'll show you guys later on what mousse I'm using to do that. This is the mousse I'm using. I'm not really sure who it's from, but I found it on Amazon. On the bottle it says keep it curly, and it also says style, but I'm not exactly sure what the brand name is. The edge brush I'm using is the one that came with the wig, and I love it so much. I don't know if it's because of the design in which they put the teeth on the other end. I don't know. Something about it, it was just doing what it was supposed to do. Now that I'm all done with the edges, I'm gonna go ahead and do some curls in it. So I'm gonna be curling the hair, and after I curl it, I'm gonna be pinning the curls, keep them that way for a while, just so the curls will stay nice and neat and not falling out. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna do here. After I was done curling the hair, I went ahead and sprayed some hairspray on it, and that helps to hold the curls in place. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. This is a finished look, guys. I have to say I really love the wig. I do think though that I could have done a better job installing it. I feel like this is not my best work, but overall I love it. I love the way it feels. It's really silky. It's soft. It doesn't have shredding, and it's not tangling. So those are things that I really love about it. I don't think the lace is HD, and that might be where I had some problem, with working on the lace. But as you can see, it does have some darn good potential. It is a really nice wig. I am not gonna lie to you guys. The length is nice. Like I said, it feels great, really nice and silky. And look how well it took the curl. It is definitely a good wig. Again, this wig is from Alibonnie, and I will be linking all the information in the description box down below, so do check that out. As usual guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.